It's no secret that Koreans love high technology. If you show the average Kim Park-Lee the latest gadget, he'll be after it like a lion hunting down a gazelle. In our next segment, we're going to introduce you to a very exciting new technology. It doesn't exactly fit in your inside pocket, but which your office will very soon want to have. It's produced by a company called KIIC, and to me this technology is virtually magic. What I'm talking about is a 3D printer.
What seemed possible in the movies or in our imagination is becoming a reality. Printing technology has evolved from painting drawings and writing onto paper into a more advanced three-dimensional printing technology. We have entered the era of 3D printing. We can all expect an exciting future where your dreams will be printed out in 3D.
There are things we can do right now to accelerate this trend. A once shuttered warehouse is now a state-of-the-art lab where new workers are mastering the 3D printing that has the potential to revolutionize the way we make almost everything.
United States President Barack Obama has declared the 3D printing industry as a third wave in the Industrial Revolution. Futurist Jerome Glenn predicts that 3D printing technology will decentralize the third wave of Industrial Revolution. The Chinese government has plans to invest in 3D printing technology to create the foundation for manufacturing. What exactly is the highly anticipated 3D technology? 3D printing consists of printing the entire three-dimensional image, a technique referred to as rapid prototyping. Once you input the blueprint, a three-dimensional image comes out by spraying macromolecular material made of plastic and metal. A prototype is created on the spot without the sample, just as data is printed out onto paper. 3D printers first came out in 1988 in the United States. Its creation became a sensation in the world's manufacturing industry. Countries around the world started to take interest in 3D printers. According to an American market survey group Gartner, the global market for 3D printers reached $1.6 billion last year and expected to grow twice its size in 2016 to an estimated $3.1 billion. The United States dominates the world 3D printer market, but Korea's position is still very weak in this sector. The advantage of creating a product in a short amount of time through 3D printing has made the technology popular in Korea. The technology is used to make small prototypes like hearing aids, tile, and tooth for implants. In recent years, the technology has broadened into areas of manufacturing large items like automobiles and airplanes. KIIC is a domestic optic machinery maker that has succeeded in making 3D printers with Korean technology. KIIC used to develop color photographs, but it struggled during the digital age amid growing competition. KIIC switched business to develop rapid prototyping represented by its Master Series. As a result, it finally created Korea's first and only 3D printer. KIIC's 3D printers use the method of photo fabrication buildup, which is able to express curves and detail.
3D 프린터란 한 4가지 종류 정도가 있습니다. 저희들이 하고 있는 광조형 방법이 있고, 플라스틱을 튜브에다 넣어갖고 짜서 이렇게 만드는 방법이 있고, 그 다음에 분말이 있고, 액체 중에서도 레이저를 이용한다든가, 잉크젯 헤드를 이용한다든가, 방법이 여러 가지가 있습니다. 치약을 짜듯이 이렇게 짜서 경화시키는 그런 방법이 가장 보편화가 되어 있고, 저희들이 하는 광경화 방법은 0.2mm, 0.3mm 정도의 아주 세밀한 구멍이라든가 라인이라든가 이런 거를 만들 수가 있는 거예요. 그래서 디테일하게, 아주 세밀하게, 정밀하게 만들 수 있는 그런 특징이 있습니다.
The 3D prototype, which is as close as it gets to the real thing, is made from 12 microns of high resolution. The 3D printers from KIIC have the competitive edge in accuracy, speed, and in price range.
세계에서 우리 같은 방법으로는 가장 빠르다고 생각합니다. 다른 회사에 보통 보면은 뭐 한 시간에 8mm 정도 하는데 우리는 4cm가 가능합니다. 그래서 충분히 경쟁력이 있다고 생각합니다.
The printers come in 3 series, the standard, medical, and jewelry, which fit the need of customers for various usage.
S란 스탠다드, 표준적으로 산업용으로 많이 쓰이고 있고요. M은 메디칼, 덴탈 이런 쪽에 쓰고 있고 J는 주얼리, 보석 이런 데 반지라든가 이런 쪽에 쓰고 있습니다. 상당히 고가의 제품을 간단하게 빨리 만들 수 있다는 그게 장점이죠.
The KIIC 3D printers have established credibility by acquiring the European CE mark. The company provides swift after-service and the components for their printers are 100% made in Korea. Although a later starter in the business by 30 years, the KIIC 3D printers excel in quality and competitive edge. We visited a company which uses the Korean 3D printer. Geared Motor Manufacturer SPG Corporation has purchased the homegrown 3D printer.
일단은 뭐 저희가 장비를 다 사용해 본 건 아니지만 전시회라든가 이런 걸 통해서 타업체 외국산 제품들도 이제 몇 번 이제 보고 어떤 성능에 대해서 대략적인 이제 검토를 했었는데 뭐 국산 제품하고 크게 뭐 차이가 없다는 이제 그런 판단과 그다음에 제품 가격이 일단 외국산에 비해서 좀 저렴하고 그다음에 AS라든지 이제 소모품에 대한 유지 보수 등이 이제 아무래도 국내 업체니까 좀 대응이 빠를 거라고 생각을 해서 그렇게 구입을 결정하게 됐습니다.
It normally took the company over 10 days to create a prototype, but with a 3D printer, it is able to economize in time and expense for the entire process.
아무래도 제작하는 비용이 뭐 초기 그 가공 비용 자체가 많이 절감이 돼가지고 장기적으로 봤을 때 2, 3년 정도 장비를 사용하게 되면은 최종적으로 이제 장비 가격을 세이브할 수 있는 그런 장점이 있는 것 같습니다.
KIIC exports its 3D printers to 20 countries, including Japan, the United States, Europe, and Australia, enjoying a boom in overseas sales, which is the result of hard work.
지금 이 3D 프린터는 핸드폰 같이 한 대씩 갖는 그런 시대가 곧 올 것 아니냐. 그리고 인터넷을 이용해서 제품을 보내고 그런 것보다는 자기 집에 프린터를 한 대 두고 필요한 부분을 다운로드 받아서 바로 프린터해서 자기가 만지고 가지고 놀고 조립해보고 이런 시대가 올 것 아니냐는 생각이 듭니다.
Just as we print photographs and documents onto paper, we are now able to print toys, furniture, and shoes in 3 dimensions by inserting the blueprint. It's an unimaginable future which has become a reality, and the company KIIC has been part of this dream. The events in the movie Mission Impossible has now become possible. What goes on inside our head becomes data, and with just a click, we are able to create a new reality right before our eyes. Soon every household will own a 3D printer. We await the day when all of our imagination become a reality.